The use of KD panels can help you enhance the quality of your interior space. Using a 45-degree bit routing procedure on vertical and large surfaces helps create a solid block appearance while fixing the edges. When using a router to cut the KD panel, there are two kinds of 45-degree chamfer bit. One is a regular chamfer bit, and the other is an inverted chamfer bit. With a regular chamfer bit, it's difficult to route the edge in a stable manner. With an inverted chamfer bit, the router is easily fixed and stabilized. Therefore, an inverted chamfer bit is strongly recommended for this procedure. First, we complete the base structure of the cabinet. Next, we start the routing procedure with a 45-degree chamfer bit. To ensure a tight joint on all sides, we use the same sheet of KD panel to simulate the thickness as a reference. Fix these references on all four sides. Use measuring tape to measure the area. Remember to include the thickness of the reference points to ensure a good joint on all pieces when routing panels in 45 degrees. Cut the panel to the correct size. Use a little contact cement to temporarily attach KD panel on the base structure. We'll route the panel first and then remove it. Therefore, do not fix the panel to the structure completely. Press the panel lightly. Trim the excess of the panels by using a router with a straight bit. Remove KD panel used to simulate the thickness from the base structure. Route the four sides to a 45-degree angle. Repeat the aforementioned steps for all sides. Before attaching the panels, we temporarily fix two panels as a reference. Then we spread contact cement thoroughly and evenly on the base structure and on the back of the KD panel, and use some white glue to make adjustments easier. Start gluing KD panels onto the base starting from the smallest piece, and use a hammer and wood block to adhere the panels. Remember to see if the edges are tightly jointed. Once jointed, glue panels onto base fully. Repeat previous steps. Finally, finish the edging procedures according to the edge paint application method. Once this is done, we've created a one-piece appearance. We hope you now have a better understanding of KD Panel's 45-degree bit routing procedure. KD Panels, new decorative wood solutions. KD Panels, green building materials.